Hey guys, check out my daughter trying my homemade zucchini and cabbage lasagna. Y'all remember? Oh yeah, it was a requested meal. And let's see my daughter's reaction. Oh yeah. All right, so how did you like the zucchini cabbage lasagna?
Good.
Real good. Did you miss anything out of it? Nothing? No noodles.
What?
No noodles. The zucchini and the cabbage is pretty much the noodles.
This is good.
I figured you
That's
like it.
crazy.
I know, right?
What?
Didn't miss anything, did you?
I thought there was noodles in here. I'm over here like, the noodles are good. This is good. There's no noodles in here. What?
There's no noodles, none at all.
That was good.
And she grubbed. She finished that container. Yep, I brought my daughter some lasagna.
That makes me feel even better. I thought all these noodles.
That's why I brought it. I knew you eat healthy. I'm like, okay. So you like the zucchini and the cabbage? See, you like me. Yeah.
I thought it was noodles, meat, zucchini, cabbage. That's crazy.
Well, I'm glad you enjoyed it.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Say bye to everybody.
Bye, guys. Thank you.